Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a multiplication problem. In this question, you are told there are 3 missing digits, which means they are single numbers that have to go in the 1, 2, 3 boxes to make the multiplication correct. And this is worth 1 mark in the exam. So you've got to work out what the missing numbers are to go in the boxes. And as I help you do this, you need to remember that you need to start on the right when you're working through multiplication. So you have to do 3 times something, gives you the answer of 2. 3 times 5, work out what goes in here, and then 3 times something gives you 7. But remember, you're going to be carrying numbers over, and you can carry over tens and things, so that will help you. Press pause, have a go at working out the answer, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Fantastic. So you probably started and you thought 3 times something is 2. That is impossible. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. But how do we get 2? But it's not just a 2. We can have tens in here. So you've got to think about your 3 times table. So we're going to go 3, 6, 9, 12. Now with the number 12, we've got a 2 at the end, which means we're going to be carrying a 1. So 3 times 4 was 12. So we're going to write a 4 in this box. And to get the 2 in here, this is a 1 and a 2 to make 12. We've now got 3 times 5 is 15. Now 15 plus 1 is 16. So we're going to carry a 1. And then we put the 6 in this box here. Remember, when you carry, you can carry above this line or you could carry below. It doesn't matter where you carry. Then, next we've got to do 3 times something plus this 1 has got to give me 7. So if we work backwards, we've got 3 times something plus some 1 is 7. So we've got to go backwards, and 7 take away 1 is 6. 3 times what is 6? So 3 times 2 is 6. So 2 is a missing answer here. Give yourself a big tick if you got that correct. Well done. If you worked through it logically, you will get to the correct answer. The mark scheme shows the answers are 2, 4 and 6. For 1M, which is 1 method mark, you have to get all 3 boxes correct to be able to get the mark in the exam. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.